Hey guys, I'm back with a quick, cheap, and easy project. Literally, my wife about 5 minutes ago said that she wanted one of these, and I was sitting in the recliner watching TV thinking to myself, hey, I think I got the wood out there. Just a couple of scrap 2x4s, all I'm gonna need. So it's gonna be called a blanket ladder. I guess that's the new thing everybody's seeing on Pinterest or whatever, and I looked at it and it's basically what it is. It's a ladder. So I figured I'd do a quick video to show you how easy this is going to be and how painless. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Just stay tuned. Basically, it's going to take two 2x4s, which I cut those down at 6 foot long. And then this is the other scrap I had right here, and I cut these down at 12 inches wide, or 12 inches long. So it's 6 of those, I think. 4, 5, yep, 6 of those. So now what I'm going to do is you want to be able to get the angle of how it's going to lean against the floor. So the easiest way I figured out that I could do that is, let me prop it there so you can see, is I'm propping it up against my wall about how far I want it away from the floor. And since I've already got a stud right here, I just took a pencil and traced it, which gives me the angle that I need to cut off on the miter saw. That way when I set this thing against the wall, you ain't gonna have to worry about the corner sitting against it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut down and start putting it together. It's as simple as that. All right, so I took the steps and I did pocket holes on all 6 of those. And like I showed you before, I beveled or cut that in, beveled it in, whatever you want to call it. And I also did this one. That way, when it's against the wall, that'll sit flush against the floor and make that angle sit flush against the wall. So now I'm going to put them together and put all the steps in the center of these and go ahead and screw them together. All right, I started just maybe 4 inches, 3 inches back from where this angle is, and then I measured every 12 inches, so a foot apart, all the way down. Then I took a straight edge and went across the way I marked both of them the same. Now I'm going to separate the boards, put the blocks in the middle, and line them up with these marks right here. All right, so I angled these rungs. That way you won't see the pocket holes when it's leaning against the wall. So basically all I did, I've already attached these. This one's got a bow in it, so I'm gonna have to do that one by hand. But anyway, I put the clamps on it and lined them all up one at a time and just clamped them. That way it held it so I could flip it over and just go ahead and run down the ladder with the pocket holes and screw them in. So now I'm gonna try to get this last piece on and then she'll be done besides staining. Well, here's the finished product. And if you see, I turned the rungs sideways or kind of at an angle. One, you can't see the pocket holes. Two, when you drape the blanket or towel, if you want to use it as a towel rack, you drape it over, it'll come over easy and it'll be able to fall in behind the next one. So that's it in a nutshell. It's probably take you 3 2x4s. I already had it, but it'll probably take you 3 2x4s. You're looking at about 10 bucks at the most. Not a hard job at all. Anybody could do it. You can use simple tools and it's just easy. So anyhow, the wife wanted it. She'd been on me, so I built it for her. But this time, I'm not going to stain it and I'm not going to paint it. I'm going to let her get her hands dirty because she stays on this Pinterest and all these other things online, and she comes up with all these ideas and throws them to me and puts me to work every day. So by golly, I'm going to put her to work. But like always, thank you for watching. If you got any comments or questions, shoot me a comment rather, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And like and subscribe.